Do you like visiting? Do you like going out? Did you like the cinnamon roll? Cinnamon roll? Yummy cinnamon roll.
You count your fingers.
1, 2. Oh, tell me more about your day. Were you able to go walking? Were you able to go walking today? Now point to Dada. Where's Dada?
Did you enjoy your meal?
Do you like the chicken and rice? Do you like chicken and rice? What do you want for dessert? You want some wafers? Do you want some wafers? Wafers?
You're strong, baby.
You like wafers? Do you like wafers?